Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Emmanuel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to clone an Apple website and customize it fully, alright, without writing any code, as well as creating pop-up features. So what I like to do first is to take a screenshot of the website I want to clone, but I'm going to use a different method today. So let me go ahead and copy the link. Alright, and just with one prompt, let me paste the link here and ask it to clone this website for me. So clone this website, maintain details. So you're gonna sign in first and it's completely free. So I'm gonna go ahead and sign in and we'll meet at the other side. So here it says, I will clone the Apple iPhone website for you. Let me first fetch the current Apple page to understand the design and content structure. So this is Lovable working. You can see it here. And I'm gonna skip to the end of the generation and I'll show you what we got. So while we wait, let's take a look at the Apple website. So it's got some navigations over here. This is going to be a really tough task for the AI. And a year ago, you could not do this. Generations and pop-ups. So I'm going to try and make it. So I'm going to try and add a pop-up feature to the website that Lovable will clone for me. So here we go, an entire website built in less than a minute with just one prompt, right? So let's view it. You have to click on this, hide sidebar to view everything fully. So let's compare it. Okay, so this is how the landing page looks like on the original websites. So this is what the landing page looks like with the replica I got. You know, it's put these functions here and it's not bad, but this is not what Apple has over here. So there's a little bit difference because Apple is that unique, you know. So explore the lineup. Let's see what we got. Okay, no header, but it tries to put in some products and their prices in a grid. So let's say we want to edit this button. You click on edit and you tap on the button and you prompt your changes. You know, you just type English. So let me say make this button color orange. Good. Okay, here we go. It's done. So it's easier to just make changes. You just have to click the edit button and you make changes in any kind of feature and whatever you want to make changes on. So that is really great. Unlike other sites that you may have to reprompt everything all over, and by doing so, you probably lose some things that you actually wanted to keep. So this is really good by Lovable. So I want to make or add a pop-up feature. So let me go ahead and add a pop-up. So add a pop-up feature. There we go. So as you can see, this is a totally responsive website. It's tried to integrate the Apple Glass, effects. In doing so, you are not going to see the text very well because of the transparency of the background, and the white color is a little bit dim. But as I said, you can work on it one after the other, I believe. So all the pop-up features are working. Everything is totally responsive. So there's a tablet view, there's a mobile view, and there's desktop view. Let me check the mobile view. So this is how it looks on phone. You can literally edit it manually by yourself. Okay. So let's go back to the desktop view, and you can publish your projects here. This is really clean, considering the fact that you are not going to get Apple copyright images and all their details. But this is actually a clean job. So we're going to end this here. If you have any questions, you can just leave it in the comments below.